What is going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. First off, we've had quite a bit of rain this week. Tide is extremely high. Water is almost up all the way to the docks. Even that little finger pier over there looks like it's about flooded. Water is up today. This is our new propeller right here. This is a 13 3/4 diameter by 13 pitch by 3 blade stainless. The previous prop I had that fell off at 30 feet of water. Okay, so why won't the boat go in gear?
No propeller.
Okay, no propeller. It was a 13 1/4 by 16 pitch by 3 blade stainless. So I was told to go down in pitch in order to gain some RPMs. I was only getting about 52 to 5,300 at wide open when this engine is supposed to get around 6,000. So definitely not the numbers I want to see. Hoping to gain some RPMs with this lower pitch. And I did go a little bit more in diameter. I've tested it, does not hit the lower unit, so that's all good there. So we're gonna go ahead and try this prop out and see how it does. So overall, pretty happy with this new prop that I've got. Again, it's a 13 3/4 by 13 pitch by 3 blade stainless. Good cruising speed was about 4,000 RPM, and we saw about 20 miles an hour. Wide open was about 59, 6,000, and that was about 31, 32. So definitely much better than wide open being at 5,300, which this engine's meant to go a little bit faster. So definitely happy with these numbers. And everything looks good. The prop, the cotter pin, washer, the nut, everything looks good. Periodically check that, of course. And for more boating content and tips, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And again, thank you for watching the video.